From our lush green fields in Uganda to your teacup since 1934. This is part of our story. Over 80 years ago, when our first tea was planted, from when the world was very different than it is today, we have developed Uganda Tea Corporation from a few hectares of tea gardens into the leading tea producer and exporter it is today, with 98% of our tea production being exported. Close to the shores of Lake Victoria and the banks of the River Nile, our 3 estates of over 3,000 hectares produce over 2.8 million kilos of black tea each year, processed at our head office at Kasaku Estate in Lugazi. To ensure the consistent quality of our product, the tea is processed in our own factory, equipped with 3 production lines running at full capacity. However, the process begins in our tea fields across the 3 estates, where the tea grows in harmony with the environment. Our 1,800-strong workforce of men and women head for the fields each morning with their tea plucking shears and woven baskets, where the team plucks the top new leaves and the leaf buds. The leaves are collected at the various collection points and transported to the factory for processing. More tea leaves are received from well-known and reliable outgrowers, providing increased raw material supply to our factory and a livelihood for the surrounding communities. At the factory, incoming green leaf is assessed for quality and weighed before being offloaded onto our large troughs in the withering facility. At this stage, the leaves are carefully managed for 16 to 18 hours, where the key enzymes are encouraged to develop the essential characteristics of our tea before reducing the moisture in readiness for further processing. The still green leaves are conveyed to our rotaveins, where they are macerated to release the essential juices, and then through the cut, tear, curl process to reduce particle sizes by specialized machinery, ready for the next process. To develop and enrich the flavors of our final product, the dough is evenly spread on continuous fermenting machines, where we carefully control the airflow, temperatures, humidity, and time to allow physical and chemical changes to take place. This is the heart of the tea making process, and where the tea changes from green to brown color. After the optimum fermentation time, our tea is then dried by hot air in our dryers, fed with energy from our boilers. The tea changes to dark brown-black color, and the moisture content is reduced to 3% to stop further fermenting and stabilize the condition of our tea for storage and transportation on its future journey around the world. With the help of varying mesh sizes, our tea is sorted into different sizes, each with its different taste and appearance characteristics. A specialist in our tea tasting room regularly checks samples and ensures each product achieves the desirable characteristics and quality standards in preparation for packing for export. At the final production stage, our tea is packed in heavy-duty foil-lined paper bags, each holding 55 to 70 kilograms, and designed to maintain the tea quality for extended periods on its journey to the final teacups of many tea lovers around the world. In addition to tea, we have diversified into other products including coffee. Over 450 hectares of coffee gardens feed our state-of-the-art Salama Coffee Factory facility at Luala near Jinja and produce coffee green beans for export around the world. A further 35 hectares on the shores of Lake Victoria are planted with cocoa, whose beans are fermented and dried before being sold to international companies specializing in the production of high-quality chocolate. Our 200 hectares of bananas provide enough food to feed our 1,800 workforce, with the surplus sold to the growing local market as the popular matoke food. To feed our factory boilers, our 430 hectares of eucalyptus and pine forests provide a sustainable source of fuel wood, as well as conserving our environment. We support the welfare of our over 1,800 employees through the provision of a wide range of fringe benefits, including first-level medical care through our 7 well-resourced clinics distributed over our 3 estates. As our contribution to national education, we provide free junior schooling facilities for our employees' children up to the age of 9 at 3 company-operated primary schools resourced with our teachers. In our 3 estates, employees live in village settlements with housing facilities and running water provided by the company. Through our over 90 years of existence and contribution, our dedicated teams present and past have played a vital role in building the company that we are today. We are Uganda Tea Corporation.